Good afternoon. Please raise your right hand as best you can to be sworn in by the clerk.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you shall give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Are you Jason Gibson?
I am.
Mr. Gibson, I'm Judge Fields, and you're here for several things. The first of which is an extradition hearing. There's an affidavit that says this. Do you, Jason Gibson, hereby acknowledge that you are the person wanted by the state of Texas on a pending arrest warrant charging the crime of capital murder by terroristic threat, aggravated assault with a deadly weapon ×2? And do you hereby waive, that means give up, the issuance of a Florida governor's rendition extradition warrant and all other formal proceedings incidental to the extradition proceeding, and voluntarily return to said demanding state in the custody of a duly accredited agent of said state? Please be advised, those duly accredited agents are in the courtroom right now and ready to take you back if you waive extradition.
I do.
Okay. Let's, I'll sign it. Bailiff has to sign something, and you have to sign something, and then we have some paperwork process to do, and then we'll get you back in as soon as we get that done, 10-15 minutes. Okay, so the jail's going to hold you kind of in an immediate area so we can address you again. And having waived extradition, you are Jason Gibson, correct?
Correct.
You've been previously put under oath. You're Mr. Gibson, I'm Judge Fields, and you're here for first appearance now. There are three purposes of first appearance. First purpose is appoint a public defender to represent you. Unless you tell me otherwise, you'll have the privilege of being appointed public defender. The public defender stands to your left currently. The second purpose is to review the bond status. The court has either raised your bond, lowered your bond, or kept your bond the same as what you were told you would process in. The third and final purpose is to review the paperwork to see if there's probable cause to determine that a crime was committed by you. The court does that by reviewing the paperwork. Anything you say can be used against you. So if you hear someone from your left saying don't talk about the facts of the case, that would be your attorney saying don't talk about the facts of the case. Reminding you remain silent. You're under oath. At least one prosecutor in the courtroom, and everything you say is being recorded. State, do you want to be heard on the case that involves Daytona Beach, the current case?
Yes, Your Honor. It has been it's come to my attention that no information has already been filed in this case.
Case number 2018-305670, CFDB. Mr. Gibson was arrested for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon without intent to kill, aggravated assault with a deadly weapon without intent to kill, grand theft of a motor vehicle less than $100,000. And so the representation from the state, the court is not going to set bonds on those because the state represents there's going to be no information found.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Based on that, the court will not set any bonds on that one. There's another case. There's a warrant, and that warrant is out of New Mexico. That warrant asks you be held no bond. Probable cause found, public defenders appointed, your bond is none. There's a final case. That case is a Texas warrant on it. The reading of the paperwork indicates warrant by Judge Gutierrez for $800,000 and $200,000 for $1 million. That bond is $1 million. And the court's understanding, because you have signed extradition paperwork, and before you did that, the court advised you there are people here from Texas to take you back. You understand that you're going to be taken back now to Texas on $1 million bond from Texas and a no bond from New Mexico. Okay?